Hello everybody, I am MM Naik, Code advocate from Dharwad. Today I am going to give a lecture briefly on legal heirs. The word legal heirs or legal representative is defined in section 2 subsection 11 of the CPC, and in the civil proceedings in original suit, if the plaintiff is dead, his legal heirs are brought as per order 22 rule 3. The limitation for bringing legal heirs is mentioned in Article 120 of the Limitation Act, and 90 days are prescribed for bringing legal heirs, and thereafter 60 days limitation is prescribed as per Article 121, and accordingly Order 22 Rule 9 application for setting aside abatement is to be filed. Thereafter, if after expiry of 90 days plus 60 days the legal heirs are not brought, then section 5 limitation has to be filed as per order 22 rule 9 sub rule 3 of the CPC. And this procedure, in case of the death of the defendant, order 22 rule 4 application is to be filed for bringing legal heirs. The same procedure article 120 121 is to be followed for 90 days as well as for 60 days of abatement, and thereafter section 5 limitation act after 90 days plus 60 days is to be filed for bringing legal heirs of the defendant. With regard to the execution proceedings, as per order 22 rule 12, order 22 rule 3, 4 and 9 is not applicable. When we peruse section 50 of the CPC, it states about the bringing legal heirs, and also section 52 of the CPC also gives liability of the legal heirs, and under section 51 the legal heirs can be brought in execution proceedings. This order 22 rule 3, 4 and 9 is applicable to all other civil proceeding except in rental laws where some special procedure is prescribed, or any other law where special procedure are prescribed. Hence, briefly, as I am MM Naik, Code advocate from Dharwad, briefly I have informed with regard to the bringing in of legal heirs of plaintiff as well as the defendants in civil proceedings.